You can't teach an old dog new tricks. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, succeed. You can't teach an old dog new tricks, but that doesn't mean we can't learn from it. The proverb implies that it's difficult for someone to learn new things or change their ways once they have grown old or become set in their habits. However, it is essential to recognize that this adage is not to be taken literally. Age should never be a limiting factor for personal growth and development. In fact, it is never too late to acquire new skills, explore uncharted territories, or pursue our passion. Every day presents an opportunity to expand our knowledge and challenge ourselves. Regardless of our age, instead of resigning ourselves to the notion that we are incapable of change, we must embrace the idea that personal growth knows no boundaries. It is through adopting a growth mindset that we can overcome difficulties, achieve success, and cultivate luck. By being open to new experiences and willing to take on challenges, we enhance our chances of creating positive outcomes. The key lies in our ability to adapt, be resilient, and continuously learn. Life is an ongoing learning process, and age shouldn't deter us from engaging in it wholeheartedly. Let us be inspired by the resilience of an old dog, always eager to learn new tricks. As long as we maintain a curious and inquisitive mindset, we can navigate through life's obstacles and come out stronger on the other side. Remember, the proverb may suggest limitations, but in reality, it serves as a reminder that growth is a choice we choose to embrace or reject. It is up to us whether we allow ourselves to be defined by our age, or whether we see it as an opportunity for continuous development. In order to apply this proverb to our lives and bring luck, overcome difficulties, and succeed, we must first let go of any preconceived notions or self-imposed limitations. We need to believe in our ability to adapt and learn, no matter our age or circumstances. Next, we should actively seek out new experiences and challenges. This can be as simple as trying a new hobby, taking a class, or immersing ourselves in a different culture. By stepping outside of our comfort zones, we open ourselves up to growth and expansion. Furthermore, it is important to surround ourselves with a supportive and inspiring community. Seek out mentors, friends, or colleagues who have a growth mindset and are constantly learning and evolving. Their positive influence and guidance can greatly contribute to our own personal growth. Lastly, we must practice patience and perseverance. Learning new things takes time, effort, and dedication. It is important to stay committed to our goals and not give up when faced with setbacks or obstacles. With resilience and determination, we can overcome any challenges and achieve success. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment, and subscribe to the channel.